Hello everyone, it's David here, aka the Gentleman Who Sells GFX. In today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step strategy on how I trade. Let's see in the video.
All right, so let's hop straight into the video. Let me quickly just share my screen. Okay, so in today's video, I'll just be going through my step-by-step, how I enter a trade, all of that, what I look at basically. So first things first, right? I start from the daily. I've already marked up today, so let me show you exactly what I marked up. So the first things first, right? This candlestick now. This candlestick here, this red one here, that's today. Right? This is today. While this green one here is yesterday. Now, first thing first, I marked the highest and lowest point of the previous day. The highest and lowest point. So this was yesterday's high and this was yesterday's low. So after I mark them, what I want to see is price, the next day's price break either the high or the low of the previous day. Okay, so once price breaks either the high or the low, that gives me a confirmation to enter the trade for the day. If I don't see any break, I don't enter. So now I go to the 5 minutes. All right, so in the 5 minutes, I want to see structure. And like I say, this is the low, this is the high. Now I can see that price now is bearish, right? This short-term high here. It's right at this last up close candle here. Price trading, last up close candle, trading up close candle. Now it's clearly showing me a downtrend. Okay, so I'm looking for sales. Clear, but the only way I can enter a sell trade is if I see price trade below the previous day's low. Right, if I see previous day's low trade, then I look for an entry. Right, so this is today's trade and I'm still watching it. I've already set my alert here. So once price crosses, I'm going to get an alert to enter. So in the meantime, my community, let me quickly share my screen for my community. So this is the Telegram group where I drop my free signals and my nuggets, right? So I've already dropped a good morning today. So yesterday we had the position, we got stopped out. The other day, on Wednesday, we got stopped out again. Right, it's been a rough week. We got stopped out again, and on Monday we hit take profit. Yeah, so it's a break-even week for us. We have two losses and 1 win, and I usually target a 2 arrow minimum. So 2 losses and 1 win. 2 losses and 1 win. So we're at the break-even. So if we get an entry, an opportunity today, right? If we get an opportunity today, then we are going to be entering our sales for today. So first things first, we need to price the break. Once price breaks, then we're going to enter. So stay with me. We'll be back if I get a price break. All right. So price just traded below our previous day low. So for me, this is a confirmation. And these are my favorite kind of entries because I like it when price breaks with a strong momentum candle, creating an imbalance. Okay. So, if you don't know what an imbalance is, you can go through my videos or sign up for my mentorship. But this is my favorite kind of entry. So imbalance basically at the gap between the previous candle and the new forming candle. So the candle in between will determine if there's an imbalance or not. All right. So this is the imbalance here. So the imbalance is big or small depending on when this candle closes. So if this candle still pushes higher into this candle, the imbalance could reduce. Okay, so let's just take that out. So for now, we are looking for sales. All right, I'm going to drop this signal in the Telegram channel. So I'm looking for sales, 10 pips, say 11 pips, that's 12.4. Just put it here. All right, then, like I said, I always target a minimum of 2 hours, a minimum. All right, so I'm going to send this same signal to my Telegram channel. Once I get the close of this current candle, I'll send them a limit order or a market execution. So, all right, so this is my Telegram channel, and I'm going to drop the signal now. All right, so I'm going to drop the signal now, and sell limit. I like to first of all put the picture so they can have an idea. So limits at 1.34830. Stop loss 1.34951 and TP 1.34591. All right, so let's rock with that. I'm going to rock with that. Let's see how it goes. So what we want, basically, we want price to return into this imbalance and drop. Okay, so let's check what EU is doing. So EU hasn't given me any break. Check on the daily. EU is still ranging. There's no break yet from EU, so you can enter that. So let's go back to GU. All right, so we want GU to return, then drop. So we can see the selling pressure on this. Price is really dropping. So if price doesn't return, then we don't enter the trade. It's as simple as that. But I'm expecting price to return. So enter the trade. Let's see if we have any fundamentals today. Okay, we have some news by 1:30. All right, so let's see how it goes. Then I'll give you guys an update depending on how, if we enter the trade or if we do not. All right, so I'll be back in a second. All right, so the trade is activated, and we're currently in profit. So we still have a long way to go. I'm also going to be sharing my screen with you guys, so you see me entering in real time as well. My Telegram group, I've dropped the signal there as well, like I initially said, and I've also communicated to them that the trade is now activated. So yeah, trade is activated, so let's see how it goes, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we are still riding the trade. So traders broke this low here, this low right here. So I could expect price to pull back a little. Maybe something like this, then drop to TP. So we are in profit. We are above 1 hour now. We are still riding, and we're closing at 2 hours. So right now, so this is a trade. I'll be sharing my screen also at the side. We have hit take profit, and we have hit our trading target for the day. Usually, sometimes I could target about a 3 hour if I want, but if I'm feeling a little bit more adventurous, I could target the 3 hour. But today is Friday. I don't want to be too cocky, so I'll stick with the 2 hour for today. But let me just quickly drop this on the Telegram group. Okay, copy image. All right. Okay, so basically that's it for me. Done for the day, done for the week. So if you like how I trade, or you're interested in how I trade, or you want to learn from me, just send a DM, follow the Telegram link, or just reach out to me through the platform I'm going to drop below. And we'll see you in the next video. Let's rock.
Alright, so I hope you learned anything out of this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and also leave a comment if this helped you. And if you want to learn how to trade, please click the link in the bio. See you.